me why we're wandering around, 'cause...
I'm a good friend, and secrets are blackmail. And it's not about football.
Okay. Does your secret friend want to know about football, or... So is that related to the thing you're looking for?
No. No, it is.
So, how
Punch.
do we... Can't her hands be guns?
Kick also.
Yeah.
Part 2A. Check the perimeter.
Mr. Doorman, sir?
Bad crowd, those murder drones. Destroying ways off the planet. My wife. My daughter having interests beyond cannibalism and nightcore. It's the end times. If my wife's closet is right, the planet's gonna try to eat us soon.
Ride's good to go, boss. Just say...